I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
Mga makikinig pa po ng music, sana yun yung message na maparating namin.
But how do you handle yung nervousness? Yung paano mo inaano yung nervous mo?
Hindi ko rin alam po eh. Paano ba? Hindi,
Parang tinatawa mo na lang.
na-enjoy ko rin po kasi siya eh. Na-enjoy ko rin po yung moment. So parang naglalaban yung takot and yung enjoy. Pero lagi naman pong happy. I'm really happy na I'm able to sing it live.
Yes, and we love it din na,
Ay,
na
thank you
nakita ka
po.
kumakanta.
Thank you po. Sana na-enjoy niyo po yung song.
And of course, siyempre, alam naman namin na may upcoming movie ka. Dito ba, ikaw yung kakanta ng theme song?
Ay, pwedeng suggestion. Pwede niyo po sabihin sa camera yan. Pwede
Kayo ni
naman.
Donnie, di ba? Kasi
Why not?
wala pa kayong duet. Ano ba yung duet ni Donnie sa movie?
Wala po. Hello Star Cinema.
Beka naman.
Baka gusto niyo madami po akong song sa album. Magdadala.
Thank you.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Bix! And now give it up for the entertainment editor of Manila Standard, Nikki Wang! Woo! Okay po. Dahil sobrang daming mga friends natin from the media na pumunta para sa iyo, Bel.
Thank you po.
Medyo
Thank
masikip
you so
tayo
much
today.
po.
Oo.
Thank you so much.
Hello, Belle.
Hello po. Thank you so much for being here.
First of all, congratulations. I understand February na, mag-March na, pero alam namin you had a fruitful 2025. And now, ito, pinapasok mo ang mundo ng musika. Are there things that you'd like to manifest in your music career this year?
Siguro to be able to put more songs. Nasulat ko. Gusto kong makapagsulat ng kanta. Sana talaga. Feeling ko I just really have to have that time talaga to just write and think. Kasi syempre, once you put it out there, it's out there na. Plus, syempre, I want to put good music po.
And of course, since meron ka ng album, can we expect perhaps a concert this year?
Ay,
Is it in the pipeline?
sana po. Wait, I mean, I haven't spoken to the team, but let's see. Let's see po.
Last one lang, if there's a song that can encapsulate what you're feeling right now, what song is it?
Sa album po.
It can be sa album, it can be from anyone.
Sa album na lang. Lahat ng songs. Lahat ng songs sa album. Nowhere Now Here. Ayan. Parang, like, I feel like I'm here because of him, because of God, and I wouldn't be here without him. Pintuan din. Ang ganda kasi. As in, feeling ko po lahat ng kanta sa album.
On that note, can you give us a parang a preview of the theme of the entire album? Is there a story behind every song? And parang ano yung kanyang theme na nag-envelope sa buong album?
We just wanted to put music na very kilig. All about love, whether that be self-love or someone special. We just wanted to put something out there na light and feel good na will make you fall in love.
And on that note, what makes you feel kilig right now?
Ay, kayong lahat! Thank you so much for being here. And yung kinanta ko kanina, grabe. Ayun, syempre nakakatuwa and nakakakilig na natapos ko siya. Sobrang natutuwa ako. And syempre, sa Star Magic for inviting me here. You know, it's my first time dito. So, thank you. That makes me kilig po.
Kasi we're just happy na, kasi I think last year when we were sa mall sa BGC, you
Opo.
already mentioned about this album that's in the pipeline, and we're just happy that you're able to realize that dream of yours.
Thank you so
Congrats.
much po. Thank you so much po. Thank you.
Alam mo, yung sinasabi mo ang happy-happy lang, ramdam namin, di ba? Nararamdaman niyo ba yung parang may positive aura si Bel Mariano na ini-exit sa buong room? Oo, grabe. Okay, now, meron tayong question from our online viewers. You are called the Gen Z Superstar. Palakpakan po natin. Gen Z Superstar. Kasama po natin ngayon. What can you say about it?
Oh my gosh, tinanong din po ako kanina nito. Hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko. Siyempre, very thankful. Pero siyempre, I'm continuously doing my best to earn that title. Siyempre, diba? So, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta. And I will do my best. I will do my best to prove that I'm deserving of that title. Ayun po. Nakakahiya naman. Nakakahiya naman yun.
No, pero syempre deserve ni Bel Mariano ang Gen Z Superstar title. Okay, now let's go to the next question. What are your music goals for 2026? So, nasabi mo na nga kanina na gusto mong magsulat pa, di ba? Ano pa ang mga music goals mo? Grammy, ganyan. Grammy!
Why not? Siyempre, for my music to be recognized more, siyempre. And ang ganda kasi yung mga writers, yung mga composers ng song, ng music na nirelease ko sa album. As in, puno ng puso yung album. So, I feel like they deserve to be recognized more.
Collab, aside from Olivia, local. Sino ang gusto mo mga collab?
Cup of Joe, yeah, them. Ang dami. But on top of my head, Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe.
Yeah.
Ano favorite mong Cup of Joe song? Bakit gusto mo sila
Ang
mga
ganda lang nung feels nila. Ang ganda nung pati never pa ako nagkaganong type of collab. Bini too.
Oh,
Yeah.
ikaw yung sasayaw, ganon.
Why not? Hindi, joke lang. Bini, cute diba? Nakaka-LSS din yung music nila.
Okay, Beanie and Cup of Joe.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Can you share your story about, your dream house? By the way, congratulations din sa yung dream house. Sobrang ganda.
Sa house, grabe yung, syempre, whenever I go home, parang sobrang, kahit pagod na pagod ka the whole day, parang ang sarap na nakakauwi ako sa house na yun, and I'm just so grateful for it. As in, sobrang, it really feels like home. And what's so nice about it is, parang every area may sari-sariling theme. Kasi syempre, 5 kami magkakapatid. So, parang yung mga kapatid ko, may sarili silang mood sa kwarto nila. Parang may mood board sila sa Pinterest, ganun. So, parang iba-iba yung feel niya every room, which is so nice. Kasi parang it makes it home.
Binigyan mo pa sila ng ganong choice.